In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the black screen issue in Honkai Star Rail. First, check for updates for both your Windows and the game itself. Ensure that your PC and the game are up to date. If the issue persists, try running the game as an administrator by right-clicking on its icon, selecting Properties, going to the Compatibility tab, and checking Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK, then launch the game to see if the problem is resolved. Additionally, ensure a stable internet connection as poor connectivity can cause black screen issues. You can check your internet speed using Ookla's speed test. If needed, restart your router. Lastly, update your graphics driver by going to Device Manager, expanding Display Adapters, right-clicking on your display adapter, and selecting Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Windows will find and install the most suitable driver for your PC. I hope these solutions help you resolve the issue. If they do, please consider liking and subscribing to the video.